Hey YouTube, if you're new here, I'm Project Danny Marie. If you're returning, welcome back girl. Make sure you hit that like button, comment under this video, and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post a video. Today we're getting right into it. 5 easy steps on how to get bombshell curls fluffy like this. Use Babyliss Pro Luxe Iron and Beauty Supply Store hair. For this quick weave, I use pink lemon hair that you can get at a local beauty supply store. Special shout out to Babyliss Pro for sponsoring this video. And I also use Sebastian Shaper hairspray. There are 3 key steps in getting the perfect bombshell curls. First of all, you want to make sure that your hair is properly layered. Number 2 is that you want to curl away from your face with the iron facing away from you and curling outwards. Lastly would be pinning that curl so that it can set while it's hot and you'll be guaranteed longer lasting curls. This is the 1-inch Babyliss Pro Luxe Iron that you can get at your local Ross or TJ Maxx. It goes up to 450 degrees. It's one of my favorite bare irons to use, and it's also beginner friendly as well. I did layer my hair prior to this video, but you want to make sure that you detangle that hair before you even get to curling. And I want you guys to notice how I'm holding that iron away from my face, clamping it away and turning it outwards. I know I'm left-handed, so it's kind of a little confusing to actually visually see, and I was also facing a mirror, but I did zoom in so you guys will be able to get the technique way better. Once you roll that iron all the way to the top, you want to hold it for a couple seconds, let it go, and immediately after pin those curls up. I use duckbill clips, but you can use whatever you have nearby. If your hair is properly layered and also you're curling away from your face, it's really no way to mess these curls up. I know often people I see on YouTube curling inwards towards the neck, but I don't really like the way that looks and it doesn't really give a full look. So I prefer curling outwards better. If you're having trouble turning the iron outwards, a trick that I use is to hold the hair out in front of you with the other arm. That'll help you to not curl inwards. And I also throw that hair around the iron, as you can see right here, and I keep turning and I keep twisting all the way up. Make sure y'all are catching those ends as well. If you continuously roll up, then you'll be able to catch those ends. And as y'all can see again, immediately after, I'm rolling that hair up and pinning it up with a duckbill clip to make sure that that curl sets in place and it won't fall on me. If you didn't catch it the first time, hold that hair away from you and curl outwards, y'all. Outwards, outwards, outwards. That's what I want you to remember from this entire video. Curling away from your face is what helps to not only frame your face, but to also just give your curls a way more voluminous bombshell look. I do prefer to use smaller sections towards the front and bigger sections in the back, just because I like the voluminous look it gives in the end. And once the curls end up falling, all the curls end up being in one unison wave, which also is very pretty. Remember to hold your iron facing upwards with the cord down. You should never be turning your iron upside down to do a curl. Those curls are going to end up being towards your face and isn't going to give a bombshell look. I continued this entire process all throughout my head. We can now move on to the next side, and I'll also be doing my leave out off camera. I do hear a lot of people say that it's harder to curl one side than the other, but I want you guys to really be mindful of muscle memory, and whatever you do on one side, wherever you do to one piece, you need to do the same exact thing to the opposite side to get that same result. For my visual learners, I'm going to stop talking and meet you guys at the end of the video for the takedown, and just pay really close attention to the technique and how I did each curl exactly the same. And before y'all try to come for me in the comments, I shot this video at 8 in the morning, so that's why my retainer's still on. And I know y'all see the hair under my arm, but argue with your mama, not me. It's natural. Your girl got it together afterwards though.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the...
Here's a way closer look on how I'm actually curling that hair. I'm using the clamper to go down twice, then rolling that hair back up till I get all the way to the end.
Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean that contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch a 10, my dad in the wind. I felt that the wind.
We made it to the last piece, y'all. If you made it here, congratulations, because now it's no way you can mess these curls up because you paid attention to this entire video. So please hit the like and comment what was your favorite tip from this video.
I just pulled up on let me land, that's what must have betted on the photo tip. I remember wondering what I'm gonna eat. Pull up that Bentley with no key. I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make one vroom vroom. Niggas just boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big patty with a brand new wrist set. Exciting new Maybach coupe in a butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lamp, sliding in the beam.
Alright y'all, now we're pinning up that last piece. I did use my Sebastian hairspray and sprayed my entire head down, and I also did my leave out off camera. And if you have the time, try to keep these pin curls in at least till the curls are done cooling. I had to stop for a lip gloss break, y'all, sorry. And we are back with the leave out done, edges slayed. Now, it's no specific way that you take these curls down. I would just say the same way you pin them up, take them down in the direction you want them to fall. There's really no specific way to take them down. I was noticing they was turning out real cute here, so I was feeling myself. And that's how you should feel exactly after you take your curls out too. Alright y'all, so once you take all those pins down, you should look something similar like this, and spray some more Sebastian Shaper too. Now you want to alternate between a rat tail comb and a paddle brush, pulling your hair backwards or throwing it to the back of you as you see as I'm doing, and just curling those curls outward, y'all, downwards, not up, not out, not towards your face. You're combing them downwards or away from your face. And this is how you get those salon bombshell curls in under 5 steps. I hope this video was super helpful to you guys. If it was, leave a comment down below. Also like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I always make hair content like this, and I'm always putting you girls on to the game. So yes, this is the final product using beauty supply store hair, y'all, and look at this, bomb. See you in the next video, girl. Thanks for watching.